Hi friend, this is Abhishek here. Welcome to my channel Abhishek Tech Talk. So in this particular video, we will talk about one another trigger question that is like write a trigger to update the description field with new and old owner names. Okay, when the account owner is changed. So whenever the contact account owner is changed, then description should be updated, and in the description we have to update old owner plus new owner name. So how we can do this by using triggers? So for that I just log in into my org and open developer console. So first of all, please like this video and subscribe our channel so that I can upload this type of informative videos regularly and you will get the notification. It will helpful for me. So I open the developer console. So we have to create a trigger on account object. So I have already a trigger on account object. For now I have to, so first of all, like which type of event we have to add for this trigger. So for this trigger, because it's update itself field like description, so for that we can use before update. Okay, so it's already here. So now I just write down trigger dot is before. Okay, if you have not this, like already have created account trigger, so you can create by using these things. Okay, so I think, I hope you have knowledge about trigger, like how we can create trigger. I just show you the solution and the logic of this particular trigger. So before is before already checked, and then is update is checked. Okay, so now here I have to call this class and their method. So method name I will add just update description with owner name. Okay, and here I need to pass trigger dot new version of report and an old version of old map. Okay, mm, id with their contacts, not contacts id with not contact, or we can say not contact, we can say record, like id with account record. So it is store old account record with their id, and it's basically list of account record like with new values. So now we have to create a method in our trigger, or in our class, sorry. So here I just write down public static void and then class name, then just list account new SSC list, new account list, and sorry, map id with account old account map. Okay, so this method I have created. Mm, so now the time is to check like which accounts are like change their owner. So for that we have to traverse one by one record, and then we have to save the owner id into a set. So let's create first set. So like set and data type is id, owner id is new set of id. Okay, here I will add the like owner ids, means user id, I think, because owner is a user. So now I just traverse issc dot then new account list, and Now I just check here, like ssc dot owner id not equals to ssc dot owner id. Okay. Sorry, this one not, we have to get this id value by using this get, then ssc dot id. So that's how it will check. So it's different, then we have to add this owner id, this set ssc dot owner, and another uh, owner id, again add, and this one. Okay, because we need old and new owner name, so that's why we store this one. So now we have to create a map. So I just map user or owner id with, like, its record data. Okay, so it's basically user, so that's why I just use for user, then owner, map owner id, use user map. Okay, then new map, then id, again user. Oops. Then I just retrieve uh, our like data from here only, without writing another full for loop. So here I just select id, id name from user, and id where id, this one. Okay, so it's fine, I think, and we will get the owner. So like, just we check if if size greater than 0, then only I want to enter this for loop. Okay, so I just write down our count scc dot scc again, then this one, sorry. So we have to update description field. So descriptions, so I have just write down like this one, dot get, and get account dot owner. Okay, plus we can like add like new owner. Okay, and before this I just add a hyphen. So now I just have to add plus icon, because I want to add, and before it I just add another name. like old. Let me first write down so that you can understand. Old owner. Okay, old owner, then plus. So now I just have to get account dot id, sorry, account dot owner. Okay, and then so not this one. We have to write old one. So old one, like can get the old value from here, like get sec dot id, then owner id. Okay, not owner id, owner name actually. We just get the account id, then owner id name. Here owner id, then here is name. Okay, this one, yeah, it's correct. Now here also we have to mention, because we want to show name now, so that's why name should be mentioned. So let's have it. I think it's working fine. Yeah, so this one I want to describe you, like why this one happened. So here we store user id with user data. Okay, so from here I just get that owner, like old one owner. So how we can get old one owner? So old one owner we can get by this old map. So from this old map we get account id and the owner id get from here, and this owner id uh, like retrieve the that particular record, user record from this map, and we just fetch the name. So that's how it's um, we got. Then new owner, for new owner we just write down the owner id, then get the account owner and then name. So that's how it's fine, working fine. Okay, so maybe you are able to understand. If you have any doubt, then you can comment out below this video. So let's test it after saving this record. So trigger is saved. Now the time is testing. So I just create, not create, I just already created account use. So ABC Private Limited. So there are description is blank for now, and now like Abhishek Verwa is the owner of this particular account record. So now I am going to change. Okay, click from here and I just write down Ronak and click on change owner. So it is updated and our trigger should to fire. And now let's check our description field. So description is updated with old owner Abhishek and new owner is Ronak. Okay, it's automatically like update description field. So our trigger is working fine. Okay, so this trigger code you can get from the description box I will add. And if you have any doubt, you can comment out below this video, and you or also you can DM on Instagram. So on this video, that is all about triggers. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.